Join us for 2025 International Set Free Conference taking place live at Freedom Life International Christian Center with the theme The God of Unlimited Wonder. Date Monday the 30th of June through Sunday the 6th of July 2025. Time morning section 6 a.m. Evening section 5:30 p.m. Venue number 55 Isashi Road beside Mobile Filling Station off Gospel Bus Stop Isashi, Lagos State, Nigeria. Ministering Pastor Tochukwu Richard.
Any food they are giving you at night, water they are giving you, shout I refuse to drink from the fountain of sorrow, of poverty, of sickness. I refuse it now.
For more information and inquiry, please call or WhatsApp +234 912 315 5966. Come and God will set you free from all difficulties, bondages, and captivity. Don't miss it. Be there.